In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the Slack desktop application in Ubuntu Linux. Installing Slack on Ubuntu gives you a dedicated desktop experience that's usually more convenient than using it in a browser. It can help with notifications, workspace calls, huddles, and overall responsiveness. In this guide, we're using Snap, which is Ubuntu's built-in packaging system. This is one of the easiest and most reliable ways to install Slack because it handles the installation process cleanly and manages updates in the background. To get started, the first thing you want to do is update your system's package index. This helps make sure your local software information is current before you install anything new. It's a good habit to do this whenever you're preparing to add software through the terminal. Open your terminal window by pressing Ctrl, Alt, and T on your keyboard at the same time. That shortcut quickly launches the terminal in Ubuntu and saves you from searching through menus. Once the terminal is open, type the update command and then press Enter. Sudo apt update. After you run the command, Ubuntu may ask for your password. When you type it, you usually won't see any characters appear on the screen, and that's completely normal in Linux. Just type your password carefully and press Enter. The system will then contact the configured software sources and refresh the package lists. Depending on your internet connection and system setup, this may take a few moments. You'll likely see lines of text appear as Ubuntu checks repositories and downloads updated package information. What this step does is make sure your machine has the latest details about available packages, versions, and updates. Even though Slack itself will be installed using Snap, updating your package index is still a smart preparation step because it keeps your system in a healthier state before moving forward with software installation. If you see the command complete without errors, that means the update process has finished successfully and you're ready for the next part of the installation workflow. If there are temporary network-related warnings, it may help to check your internet connection and run the command again. One useful tip is to let the command fully finish before closing the terminal or trying anything else. Interrupting an update can sometimes leave you unsure whether the package list refreshed correctly. At this stage, your Ubuntu system is prepared, your package index is up to date,